Hi everyone, Shelley with Align My Practice. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking about the new patient welcome tour. Much like you would if you were hosting a dinner party in your own home, you're going to want to make these patients feel as comfortable as possible. So, if you were having a dinner party and you had new friends coming over, you would welcome them. You wouldn't say, "Have a seat, I'll be right with you." You're going to open the door, you're going to welcome them. You would probably give them a hug, you would shake their hand, you would offer them a cup of coffee, and you would introduce them to your friends that are already in your home that they hadn't already met. In my TC Mastery course, as well as my all team new patient experience training, we dive deep into patient psychology and really building that authentic relationship with the patient. So, this new patient tour is huge, huge for making that happen. So, some of the other things that you can bring up in that new patient tour are showing them the reception area, your beverage station, your brushing station, where you take your records. If there's an entertainment area or like a little kids corner gaming section, you could do that as well. A lot of doctors' offices don't like showing off their lab and sterilization area, but it's super important. It helps builds that trust with the patient. It's also really important to make sure that your team members are on point and ready. So when you're taking the new patient on this tour, have your employees stop, take a half a second, look up, smile, wave, and say welcome. It really does make a huge, huge impact to the patient and makes them feel like they're part of your family. I hope that you start doing new patient tours if you're not already. It really does make such a difference. Have a great day. We'll see you next week.